Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, subscribe below so you can get more free offers coming up in the future. Everything in this video I am offering for free. No card, no PayPal, nothing. It's all going to be for free. So what I want to offer you today is a 30-minute affiliate. It's like a program mini-series video that you can get your hands on. I'm not going to charge you a penny for it. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to also offer you another bonus that's also free, and this is absolutely fantastic. It's worth waiting till the end. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, guys, so you can get straight into it. But here's what's on offer today. It talks about structure and strategy. Your traffic determines the offer you choose. Talks about that, and it also talks about what actually makes a good offer. So you might be offering the wrong offer. So this goes into that in more detail. Get good at promoting a certain kind of offer. So it's probably saying that I think that if you stick to the same sort of offer instead of going willy-nilly here, there and everywhere. Okay, so try to get the information in advance so you know what you're talking about. Okay, and find incentives and bonuses, which obviously I'm doing because I'm offering this bonus that's coming up very, very shortly if you stick to the end. And how to use landing pages the correct way in 2020. And make sure you listen to all the feedback. This goes into that in quite a bit of detail because it's quite important that you listen to the feedback. So I'm going to give you this system all free today. It's a 30-minute video system. You can use it at your leisure. You don't have to watch it all at once. You can go back and listen to it and watch it. It's up to you. I'm going to give it to you free. And if you have this today, I'm also going to give you some special bonus bonanza. If you have a website or a link of anything to a blog or a video, I'm going to give you 50,000 visitors delivered to it today for free. No strings attached. All free. So it's going to be free access below. If you click the link below this video today, I'm going to give you all that. Okay, so just to clarify, you're going to get this system, 30 minutes of video, and you're also going to get 50,000 visitors to any website, blog, video of your choice today if you act and click the link below. Okay, for more freebies like this, guys, subscribe to my channel. Take care, guys. Goodbye.